Hi, this simulation illustrates the implementation of a queue data structure using list on Python. On the screen left hand side you can see the code for queue and the various operations supported by queue such as enqueue, dequeue and search also implemented here. You can explore the Python code. After that there is a visualization part which show how the data are moved into the queue as well as how the data are removed from the queue. Queue is following first in first out philosophy, means the element which inserted first will be removed from the queue first, followed by right hand side containing different operations supported by the queue. Suppose if you want to insert some element, you can click the insert button here, then you can specify that element here, then click the submit button. As a result, element is stored here and a message will appear that an element is inserted. Also it will highlight the code corresponding to the insertion operation on the left hand side. So here I am going to insert few more elements. I insert the same element, then so these are the few elements I inserted into the queue. Now I want to remove the element from the queue. Since queue is following first in first out, the element which I inserted first, that is this 4, will be removed first. If you click the delete button, you can see that element is removed and the code corresponding to the deletion is this one. It's known as dequeue. Then if you want to search for the presence of some element in this queue, you can click the search button. After that you can enter the element here. For example, I am searching for 9 on this queue. It is not there. So the search will go through the queue and finally it will show that the element is not found in the queue. After that you can terminate this program by clicking the exit button. That's all in this video. Thank you.